Hello friends, in this tutorial I will show you how to make an eye. You will need 3 balloons and a marker. So let's get started. I put a 19-inch green balloon inside a 20-inch Bobo balloon. Now I inflate the green balloon to its full size. This is a very convenient way to stretch a Bobo balloon and make it perfectly symmetrical. Now I put a 5-inch black balloon inside a Bobo balloon and inflate it with 5 pumps. I tie it into a knot, cut off the extra part, and press it a little against the table to give it a round shape. Now I put a green balloon inside and inflate it to full size. Please note that the tail of the black balloon must be between the 2 balloons. In this case, the tail will not be visible, and the eyes will look neat. Now I tie a green balloon, cut off the tail, then tie a Bobo balloon. To draw on balloons, I use this kind of marker inside this marker acrylic paint. I draw 2 horned branches, and then, if desired, you can add white paint, so the drawing will look more voluminous. The eyes are ready. Thank you for watching us.